Hey Bristol Bears! Today we're going to be talking about accelerando. Accelerando means gradually faster. So when the music gets gradually faster, it's going to start slow and then over time get faster. So if I take my drum and I start with a largo or slow tempo, steady beat, and over time, a little bit faster, I get faster. That is an accelerando. A really good example of this is in the Hall of the Mountain King, which is one which you can easily look up. So in the Hall of the Mountain King has accelerando. It gets gradually faster. Today, as you do the rest of your videos, your sing and your say, your move and your play, think about, does this tempo stay the same, or is there an accelerando? Does it get faster? If it doesn't get faster, how would it change the song if there was an accelerando and it did get faster? What would change? Have fun, guys.